Okay.
Ito. Ay, naka-mirror siya. Nakalito. Nakabaliktad kasi siya. Nakabaliktad na sa babae kanina.
Tayo po yun.
Oo nga.
Uy! Uy! Wait lang! Ilapag din.
Halika na. Galing ni Lia, oh. Naka-video kami, oh. Tingnan mo, saan niya nilagay? Kita-kita kaming dalawa.
If you're going to move your shoulders 3 times from right to left. So right and then left and then press. Again, or if you go
Kick,
kick, up,
down,
right,
kick,
left, right.
up.
The next is by. So your hands are like this, it's like a gun. And then you're going to point here on your side. 1, and then you're going to go on the center. 2,
Papa!
and then go on the side.
Ganyan,
1,
oh.
2,
Hindi
3.
pa
And then
ganito.
your feet is going to be
Mag-exercise.
close, open, close. So you're going to here, hands like that, and then close, and then bend again, and close, bend, close. Again, 4,
Hirap naman.
1, 2, 3. Next is by. So for your head, it's the same.
Nakaganon yung feet
And then
nabi,
you're
oh.
going to point up.
Okay.
Your feet is going to be open, close, open.
Oh, gaya natin.
Ayaw ko yan.
Nakapagod siya.
Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I will be teaching you.
Naka-on ba yung video mo?
You already that? Yeah. So before we start,
Patignan natin.